Today we are visiting the Bearizona Drive-Thru Wildlife Park. Located in the gateway to the Grand Canyon, Bearizona resides just outside of Williams, Arizona on a 160-acre reserve. Visitors drive through over 3 miles through a ponderosa pine forest, viewing North American animals in a natural habitat. Once you complete the drive-thru portion of the park, visitors can enjoy a totally accessible and beautiful 20-acre walk-through area in a zoo-like setting. Please enjoy the video.
He's scootering across the USA, from near and far and day to day. He's scootering across the USA. He shows you the accessible way. He's the accessible traveler, the accessible traveler. He's the accessible traveler. He travels the accessible way. He's the accessible traveler.
Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, they're on both sides. I don't know why I printed like that.
It's okay. And have you guys been here before?
No, ma'am.
All right. Any pets in the vehicle?
No.
All right. So here is map and rules.
Okay.
Right through those gates is going to be our drive-thru. While in the drive, we ask that you're remaining your vehicle, no feeding or petting any of our animals.
Okay.
When you get to our bears and our wolves, roll those windows up and keep moving. And then at the end of the drive, you will see our walkthrough, and that's open and included. You guys can drive around as many times as you would like, as long as you remain in the park. So once you leave, it is going to be readmission.
Okay.
And then if you could just place that receipt on your dash, you're good to go.
All right.
Well,
Thank you so much.
Do you guys have stuff on the back?
I just have a scooter.
A scooter. So that will have to come off before I can let you in the drive.
Okay.
You're more than welcome to just leave it directly behind this building.
Okay.
That's kept under surveillance at all times.
Oh, no problem. So just make a left
Yeah,
here?
just right here.
Thank you.
Right there.
Thank you.
So
So probably rip at it.
yeah, so I guess I need to go just around this other side here.
Yeah.
And then I'll just back up and come back.
Yeah. Yeah, because they probably try to attack it.
I guess.
They don't want them, they don't want liability. They rip your scooter apart.
Yep. I'll
And then-
ride it around and then I'll just come back out here.
Your vehicle. Alright. Special diet, do not feed. Ooh, aggressive during rut. The goats, I hope we don't, oh boy, there they are right there. Don't get too close. These people are going to go right up on it. It rams the car, we're done.
They just said, open your window. And
No,
she said when you get to the bears, you have to close
I know, but
them.
I can take it through here.
Take a picture. I'm not going to ram you.
I gotta change this too. Menu. Just, I should have changed it to JPEG.
I can pull over somewhere.
I
if you
wanted
want
to
me
change it to JPEG. Please roll my window up. It says, please leave your windows up. Get attacked by
Where?
something.
She said.
It
you
said
have-
at all times, keep your windows up.
She said your windows can be down until you get to the bears.
Stop. Stop. Oh, you dumb. Uh-oh. Okay.
Is it still turned on?
Oh.
I think I turned it off. I
Oh,
don't
it's
know.
still blinking.
Okay.
Oh, you better keep moving, dear.
Oh,
Look at his horns. Oh, keep moving. Keep moving. He was coming
I'm putting
regardless.
that on the video. I'm putting that on the video.
He was coming to our car regardless.
I heard a ringing bell this morning, and it woke me from a dream. And in that dream
He is like gonzo. Yeah, I'm just throwing it up. It has horns. Gorgeous. I think he wants water, probably.
Keep on singing to those who listen, 'cause you can make it on your own. Time goes slowly, the world gets lonely when you got no one on your side. You gotta love one another, sister and brother, 'cause you only got one ride. I heard the falling rain this evening, and it put me in a dream. And I got that old time feeling.
Drag wires to the right.
A little rest is all we really need. So keep on singing to those who listen, 'cause you can make it on your own. Time goes slowly, the world gets lonely when you got no one on your side. You gotta love one another, sister and brother, 'cause you only got one ride.
Come on in, I'm making you a sandwich.
Big, big, ooh, big,
Big? All right, we'll make a big one.
big bear.
Big bear.
No, true, out there.
We're glad you're home, honey.
Big bear, chase, big bear, chase.
What does he say?
What? Big bear, chase me.
Time goes slowly, the world gets lonely. I heard a ringing bell this morning, and it woke me from a dream. And in that dream I heard a warning, saying leave the rest, take only what you need. So keep on singing to those who listen, 'cause you can make it on your own. Time goes slowly, the world gets lonely when you got no one on your side. You gotta love one another, sister and brother, 'cause you only got one ride. I heard the falling rain this evening, and it put me in a dream.
Better on.
And I got that old time feeling. A little rest is all we really need. So keep on singing to those who listen, 'cause you can make it on your own. Time goes slowly, the world gets lonely when you got no one on your side.
They went all the way to the top of the thing. They slid back down in the water.
Sister and brother,
Scared. I think I'll go in this log now.
Hey Susie, what did you think of Bearizona?
I thought it was wonderful.
It was a wonderful day, beautiful weather here in Williams, Arizona, and can't wait until our next adventure. Bring you guys another video, so stay tuned. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.